So we're going to start taking it down, and I'm just going to
show the
roll the guy ropes up.
Yep, the guy wire keeper.
Okay. Kind of go around itself there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just you know, a couple times, and then open your Velcro pocket. And just leave it shut.
There you go.
And now you won't have a big rat's nest of wire when you open it back up.
Yep. Okay.
For this version, this is a Velcro loop, and what I'll do is I'll just take my hand here and kind of wrap it around my hand.
Then there's a Velcro right there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now when you're closing it up, do you want to leave these side windows open?
You want to leave them open or halfway open so that
open
the
or
air can
halfway
escape
open.
when you release the
Okay.
valves.
All right, so just leave them open, or however they are, halfway open. All right. Now, Randy took a little more time and tucked his all the way in, so it's pretty.
Yeah, and ideally, that's the way, right?
Yep. All right. And while you're doing those couple, now you also said that the side room can stay connected when you're packing it away. So you can unzip it and take it off, but for convenience, you can also leave it connected.
Yep.
And so we're gonna let them just continue getting all those guy ropes undone. I'm gonna give you one more tour before they take it down. I just love that little side room. I think that's excellent. Porta potty, changing, privacy room, you know, especially we're talking about hunters and fishermen. If you got 8 guys or something, it's nice to have a little private space, or you could put one on each side. And we've got that bedroom still down part way there, but you can park bikes and stuff in there, or you can open it up and have a queen size on one and a full size on the other side. You can take the whole thing out, put cots in here if you want. You can take that whole hanging space out and put a king size bed side to side, or 2 queens front to back, side by side as well. Love the ventilation. Love the no-see mesh screening. So we never did close the door here on the front, but that's okay. It's just tied back, which is nice. And then you have those beautiful windows. This is a solid, so you can see, waterproof. This one too in the vestibule, so you can, you know, put your ice chest or your shoes and stuff in there. It just gives you a nice vestibule area, overhang over your front door. So there you go. So this is just excellent. Heavy duty flooring, 8 inches up all the way around on the sides. So love the storage compartments, and there's another whole section like that on the inside of the queen size on that side. So, and then this of course overlaps here, which we showed you there, that all overlaps. So you got this extra fabric, so you don't have the flooring right up against the wall fabric. You actually have another section there that gives you a nice transition and overlap. Everything overlaps. Excellent quality, all double stitched. Everything overlaps, and then you can't even hardly see it. This is actually heat taped, but they did such a clean job that it doesn't overlap the stitching, but there's no daylight coming through any of those stitches. So they did an excellent job. Excellent quality.
Yeah, you could see actually when you come to the outside, you could see the seam tape overlapping the window.
Oh, a tiny bit there, yeah.
Yep, you could see it basically around the entire perimeter.
They do that on purpose, yeah. That's intentional all the way around. Yep. Yeah.
And then to take this canopy down, basically we're going to reverse this process also.
Oh, yeah, we're going to
release
that there.
Yep, just let the tension out, and then we're going to take the pull.
Slide it out.
You can slide it right back out.
Okay, so your awning's coming out. And that's just a power or a shock cord there for that one.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.